today's Math with Carl talks about a triangular prism. So here we have an example of a problem for a triangular prism. So the volume of a regular triangular prism is 90 square root of 3 cubic centimeters. If the radius of the inscribed circle in the base is 3 centimeters, find the altitude of the prism. So based on the given, we already have two things we don't need to look for, which is V, which is the volume of the triangular prism, which is 90 square root of 3 cubic centimeters, and R, which is the radius of the inscribed circle in the triangle, which is 3 centimeters. Okay, so to solve the problem, what we're looking for is H, or the altitude of the triangular prism. So in order to solve this, we have the formula V is equal to A times H. But as you've noticed, this formula is in terms of V, so we have to change it in terms of H. So then it will become H is equal to V over A, where V is the volume and A is the area. Next step is we have to look for the area. So the formula for the area is A is equal to the square root of 3 over 4 S squared. But now we have another problem. We're not given the side. So then we have to look for the side, so we can do this in this using the formula R is equal to S over 2 square root of 3. But since this formula is not in terms of S, we should change it in terms of S, so it will become S is equal to R times 2 square root of 3. Okay, so now since we have all the equations we need in order to solve the problem, we can now substitute the values so we can finally get the H, or the answer of the problem. So first, S is equal to R times 2 square root of 3. So we have an R of 3, so we could substitute it. It will become S is equal to 3 times 2 square root of 3. So we will have an answer, or a side, of 6 square root of 3 centimeters. So now we already have the side. All we need to do is to substitute it in the formula to find the area. So we'll just write this down, 6 square root of 3 as our S. So now we will substitute it in the formula for the area. So A is equal to square root of 3 over 4 times 6 square root of 3 square. So we will have square root of 3 over 4 times 36 times 3. So we can cancel 36 over 4 is equal to 9. So our final answer will be 27 square root of 3 square centimeters, since it's area. Okay, so now we already have the value for S, we have the value for A. So all we need to do is to substitute the formula to our very first formula, which is H is equal to V over A, where V is the volume and A is the area. And since we already have V, which is given of 90 square root of 3, so we just substitute. H is equal to 90 square root of 3 cubic centimeters over 27 square root of 3 square centimeters. So we can cancel centimeter cubed, centimeter squared, 90 over 27. So basically the answer, or the height of the triangular prism, is 3.333 centimeters. Okay, so that was the answer for the problem, and I hope you learned enough, and thank you for watching.